Hi friends, in this video I'll show you making of Mahalakshmi idol with clay. Now we'll see the materials required for making. We need water, sponge, some tools, wire tools, glue, clay, cotton fiber or coconut fiber or a pad. Before working with clay, we need some fibers to add into the clay to avoid cracks. Here you can use cotton or coconut or jute fibers. See, when you're working with coconut fibers, you have to loosen them and then mix with the clay. When you're working with cotton, you have to do the same process to mix with the clay. See, I've mixed cotton in this clay, and when you break. Now we'll see making a structure. First we'll take two coils and then put a coil on top of each other. We'll take some coils like 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 coils and then press them to make a cylinder. We have to do this to make the basic structure. See, I'm making a hollow cylinder. If you want, you can make the cylinder with whole clay. You have to press them to make a cylinder. See, after making the cylinder, it looks like this, and then you have to make two den-like structures for the leg joints. See, you have to take another two cylinders and join them like legs. In between, you should take a wet sponge and make it smooth. Then what you should do is, you have to give more details to the body. After giving details to body, you should make hands and then attach the hands to the body. Be careful with the body, the body doesn't break. Then give a support to the hands. I've given the support to the hands because they are very loose. Then we should attach the other hand. You have to add a little bit of glue to the hand so that the hand sticks properly to the body. Attach from all the sides so that there won't be any cracks. Attach properly. Then take care of the angle. After attaching, it looks like this. You have to make even leg toes and all. And then I'll show you detailed video how to make hands and their angles and fingers. See, first you should take the measurement of the hands and then take care of the angle and then press on two ends. One end to make a joint. See, I'll show you how to make joint. Make random scratches and then put some glue and then stick them. Before sticking, what you should do is you should press on other side to make palm and then attach fingers like thumb finger first, then some fingers. What you should do is, to make fingers, you should take a ball and then roll them to make a small coils and then join them. If you are unable to join them with your fingers, then you can use a tool. Then I'll show you making of lotus. First, you take a cylinder or a coil, small coil. Then apply pressure on end of it to make a pointed end. Then take small balls and make small petals. Then make 4 petals and take a ball and make a pyramid-like structure and stick that to top by using some water so that it looks like a bud. Then to make it more realistic, you can add some more petals like opening bud, like that. So what you should do is, you should carefully insert this lotus into the hand. So between the fingers, you can actually press them to give like a holding posture. Then after doing all this, you can attach hands, ornaments, lotus and all. So this is how it looks after doing, and you should also attach hair and even crown. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.